Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna practice right turning at the stop sign. So I'm leaving here. First of all, mirror signal and blind spot. My distance is good. So turn right at the stop sign. Okay, first of all, give the right signal. If you need it, yeah, check your blind spot. The stop position is there is a sidewalk, so I'm gonna stop. I have to stop before the sidewalk. So I stop. So right turning is short turning, narrow turning. So my reference point is my mirror matching the curb. Then I'm gonna turn 1.5 to the right side. So first of all, I don't see the left side. The visibility is not clear. So what should I do? I should creep up, inch up. So I'm going front a little bit. You don't need to use gas pedal. Looking right and looking left. So okay, the left side is clear. So my mirror is almost matching the curb, and the 1 to 1.5 turning. After that, you can release or you can bring back your wheel. The important thing is your mirror is matching the curb. This is the right turning at the stop sign. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos. See you in the next video.